I came yesterday night. I was in Bombay. I had gone to visit Lalbagh Ganpati yesterday. Mind is nobody can change it. If it is not there, nobody can give it. I strongly believe in that. So there is no question of simply seeing the dreams, nor feeling happy that somebody says that you are going to be the chief minister. I said I live in present. I don't live in past.
I'm asking a question.
I clarified that day. Many times people have told me, asked me when there was a rumor being spread. I said there is no truth in that. Somebody is planting the story. I'm सारे मरे. I'm present जगता. I'm past जगना आणि future जगना.
Till date, nobody from BJP has approached you.
Nobody has approached. Each one is free to give his opinion. Who can stop? There may be many people who want to become chief minister. That's what I said. Everybody comes written on this, so nobody can change it.
खंयचेय सरकार जावं ते स्थिर जाय. सद्याक प्रशासन सामकें हल्ला. ही परिस्थिती खंय गोंयाक फुडें व्हरपाची सोडून गोंयची वाट लावपाची.
First of all, whichever government comes has to be stable. This administration today is in such a bad state. It will now last more than 3.5 months. There's nobody even to handle the thing. But there is at least no charge has been given to anyone. This is creating problem for them also. Everybody, this is creating problem. As a result, state will go behind. It will go backwards.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.